If you're in the market for a budget mechanical gaming keyboard, the ACGAM A109R is one of the excellent choices available. ACGAM is a manufacturer of some affordable gaming hardware, and this keyboard is one of them. The vision behind this product is to provide a budget gaming mechanical keyboard for the up-and-coming gamers out there. First, let's talk about what I liked about this keyboard. The Optimu blue switches used are just like Cherry MX switches, if not better. If you put this keyboard side by side with one which uses Cherry MX blue switches, I can bet you will hardly be able to tell the difference. The typing experience on this keyboard is just like any other expensive mechanical keyboard out there. The anti-ghosting keys that provide excellent tactile feedback make all of this possible. The keys have a total travel of around 4 mm with the actuation point of 2.7 mm, which means you don't need to press the keys all the way to the bottom to register an input, which is the idea behind mechanical keyboards. ACGAM also includes a key remover tool to help you take the 104 keys off for more effective keyboard cleaning and remapping if needed. The build is solid, durable, and should withstand some years of use. I did not notice any flex in typing or while gaming. The chrome effect around the keyboard is a nice touch and adds to the overall beauty of this keyboard. All the keys on this keyboard are RGB backlit with the option to customize the color patterns. Some of the things that I did not like about the ACGAM A109R. First, the white painted sub-function keycaps that will eventually come off and leave you with blank keys. Secondly, the blue switches are great to use, but you will eventually get annoyed by the amount of noise they make, especially for those who will be typing in a quiet environment like me. Overall, this keyboard provides a lot for the price you pay. It is a good option and won't disappoint, but will it blow you away? Not at all. But it's also not priced to do so. That's it for this video. If you found the video to be helpful, don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. My name is Sam, and I'll see you in the next one.